Welcome one and all to another edition of the Cine Geeks Podcast. I'm Roy.
I'm Angela.
Ay, puta. Gulat ako. Very good, very good. Okay. Okay. Kindik nyo yung video na to. Putik, di ako handa dun. Ay, nako. We're talking about Obsession. We're gonna be talking about the movie Obsession. Oh my God. Starring new Scream Queen. Hindi.
Angela Vera.
Angela Vera. Starring Indy Navarrete.
Navarrete? Any relation to?
In relation to the SBC Packer. Ay, nako. Pero bago natin simulan ng lahat, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, follow, whatever. Ito episode na to, to your fellow friends and fellow cinephiles, whatever. Lumaki tayo and samantala mahahanap tayo sa social media.
We are on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So make sure to follow for daily movie and series recommendations naman doon.
At saka nag-trailer reaction na rin tayo.
Trailer reaction, no nga pala.
That's true. Okay, sige. So, gagawin, hindi ako handa dun sa cold open natin.
Sorry na. Baka hindi ka makatulog eh.
Let's go. Okay, Obsession. This is a movie that's been getting ton of buzz. Talagang
actually.
Mantakay mo naman sa trailer sinasabi, a new horror classic.
Okay. Kaya ko muna sabihin. Pero, oh my God.
Ay, sige na, huwag natin patagalin pa. Ange, what did you think of Obsession?
I'm obsessed.
Oh.
As in, everybody knows I'm a horror girly. And half the time, nakatakip ka sa tenga mo. Nakatago ka sa akin.
As is wont with any horror film.
Pero I was enjoying every minute of it. As in, tama naman yung sinasabi na this is a new classic.
Yes.
Grabe yung beats. Talagang the entire film was exciting. I wasn't bored. That's, actually, isa yan sa mga parang pitfalls ng horror. When nothing is happening, parang you kinda wanna check your phone.
True.
Especially kapag exposition dump.
Oh.
Or backstory telling.
Emerald.
Parang babagal bigla yung kwento. Babalik lang ulit yung interest mo kapag may mga jump scare na ulit, kapag yung set pieces na ulit nung horror. Pero ito kahit yung mga slow parts nung movie. As in, grabe yung niya. Pero I'm getting ahead of myself. Ikaw. Ano naman, ikaw, alam ko, medyo, ka, you have a love-hate relationship with horror? Yeah, how was this for you?
I love this movie.
Really?
This movie is, ano yung term nila? The dog's bollocks. Yes. Well, good yun, di ba? Basta alam ko good yun.
The bee's knees.
The bee's knees. Yan, sige yan. It's one of the best horror films I've seen this year. The moniker na it's an instant horror classic. Yeah, it is. Yes. Oh my God. Talagang ang galing ni Curry Barker. Ang galing yung writer and director.
Chef Curry.
Night. Yung mga night scene dito. Oh my God. I just go, alam mo yung...
Hindi ka makakatulog.
Hindi talagang grabe yun. Sige. I'm also getting ahead of myself. Pero sige. I've always been of the idea na comedians make great dramatic actors.
Yes. Case in point.
Si Dolphy sa Malcova.
Robin
Williams, yung ganon. Pero and Jordan Peele has also proven na comedians can make great horror films. Sige. Di namin kukwento itong scene na to. Hindi kami magsaspoil. Manood kayo ng scene. You have to watch this.
Yes,
Pero,
you have to.
Kung ano yung talagang OMG, WTF, may LOL pang kasama.
LMFAO.
Na energy ng weapons or barbarian. Andi dito sa Obsession.
I agree with the subculture of comedians making for great horror storytellers. Kasi comedians have a twisted sense of humor kasi.
That's true.
So parang kita mo yung parang dark humor nila, yung
Oo.
dark comedy.
Tama.
And it kind of reminds me nga of, kahit si, Sam Raimi. Also,
Yeah.
comedic horror
Yung
creator, di
kanyang
ba?
sensibilities niya in terms of horror is comedic. Tama.
Oo.
Oo.
Which makes for a very entertaining horror flick, di ba?
Yes, that's true.
Kahit nga yung yung mga smile, yung mga
Mga
cult
ganun.
favorite
Yes.
mga slasher films, it
Oo.
has a tinge of comedy to it.
Kasi alam mo yung mga magagandang horror, yung parang, ito siguro naisip ko lang to bigla, I mean, correct me if my wording is incorrect. Pero alam mo yung, gusto ko yung horror na habang tinatakot ka, parang kinikiliti ka din. Kasi
Oo
parang hindi mo
eh,
alam kung
oo.
natatakot ka, tumatawa ka lang, gaganon ka na lang bigla.
Oo.
Ganun to yung energy ng Obsession.
Yes, yes.
Talagang, watch this with the biggest crowd that you
Grabe yung
can
audience
find.
reaction dun sa cinema namin.
Talaga.
As in talagang everybody gasps. Everybody parang, huh? Tapos ang gusto ko yung mga quiet moments niya. Yun nga yung yung mga silent moments in the movie. You can hear a pin drop and you can hear someone chuckling na parang minsan awkward laughter na siya.
Oo.
Pero
Parang ako ata yun.
pero as in talagang it's a very communal experience.
That's
At
true.
the same time, sobrang niyang visceral.
That's true.
Ramdam mo yung parang social awkwardness dun sa mga ibang mga
Characters.
scenes,
Oo.
no?
And ito lang din, sige. We can wax poetic about yung maganda siyang horror kasi tension building, exciting, yung ganun. Pero, ang ganda din ng kwento niya. The characters were so well written.
And they're not one-dimensional.
And yeah, oo. Alam mo yung pain
Mm-mm.
na pinaguhugutan nilang lahat.
Oo.
Silang yun nasa forefront.
Oo.
And kita mo yung how the situation, however effed up it is just twisting them into knots.
Mm-mm.
And parang for our perverse entertainment, yung kanilang pinagdadaanan, which makes for a great horror film.
Chef's
Talaga.
kiss.
Ibang klase.
Alam mo, this movie reminds me of Together.
Yes.
Only that, this was able to pull off a better ending than Together.
It stuck the landing.
Ito
I
yung
know.
promise, ito yung fulfillment of the promise that was Together.
Yes, that's true. Parang sinasabi natin yung Together was a near perfect movie na parang marathon runner na nadapa sa finish line.
Especially, this is also about a couple.
Yes. Ito talagang, it just flew to the finish line with angels and trumpets behind it. Talagang, oh my God, this movie is amazing.
Ang ganda,
Ang ganda,
no?
talaga.
As in, we love it so much.
Pag napanood nyo, you'll know. Sige. Bago na ang ating rating system, so this is like the second film we're reviewing with our new rating system. Hindi na kami nag-letter grade, hindi na tayo mag-number grade. Sinihan or streaming? So parang pag sinabi natin sinihan, of course, dapat pa na sinihan. Streaming, self-explanatory. Ange, sinihan o streaming?
Sinihan.
Yes. It's a resounding sinihan from the both of us. Talagang this demands your full attention.
Speaking of sinihan this is an Ayala Cinemas exclusive.
That's true.
So, you can only find it in Ayala Malls.
Ayala Malls exclusive. So this comes out May 27. Mayroong mga sneak preview. Ito, selected branches lang yung sinabi kami. Talinoma.
Yes.
Ayala Malls Manila Bay.
You have to check the Ayala Mall Cinemas Facebook page.
Yes. Do check it out. You don't want to be the last one to know or maging in sa usapan nitong scene na to because people are gonna be talking about
the hype
this.
is real.
The hype is real. Yeah.
For once.
The hype is so real.
I love it.
This is a perfect movie. A perfect horror movie.
I'm obsessed.
I can't wait to see what Curry Barker makes next.
Oh yeah, YouTuber yun.
Mabuhay yung mga YouTuber! Yay! Ay, nako. Yun. So, a resounding sinihan from me and Ange. And kayo, kung napanood nyo na itong Obsession, what did you think of the film? Did you love it? Did you hate it? Ano yung pinaka-favorite moment nyo? At kung nasa sinihan pa, para sa inyo ba? Ano ba to? Sinihan or streaming?
And I wanna ask another question. if you have a chance to make a wish, what would it be? And why? Parang pageant question eh, no? Be careful what you wish for
Ay.
talaga.
Talaga. So,
Pero iyan nyo. I-comment nyo yung wish nyo. Malay nyo.
Makamagatuto. Huh?
At your own risk.
At your own risk, yes. Okay. So, Ange, where can they find us on social media?
We are on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So make sure to follow us for our daily movie and series recommendations and trailer reactions as well.
True. At kung nagustuhan nyo tong review namin, or you just had fun listening to us talk about this, thumbs up naman dyan. For YouTube, 5 stars sa Spotify. Subscribe sa YouTube.
Follow sa Spotify.
Okay, so for this episode of the Cine Geeks podcast, I'm Roy.
Nanshala.
And we will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.